Huh?
We're going to Silver Valley. Come along and we'll have a picnic there.
Maybe we can call it one hedgehog and two girls on a date. What do you say?
But we're going for the emerald.
No, I've been there before.
You went without me?
Okay, so what you're saying is that you've been there before. So that means...
Oh, so you stopped there during one of your runs, huh?
Yep, you guessed it.
Fine, Sonic!
That's okay, Sonic. You and I can just stay here, then.
Come on! We'll have more fun without him anyhow!